You wake up tired, you drink coffee, and just a few hours later, you crash again. That cycle is silently draining your energy, your focus, and even your metabolism every single day. But here's the scary part. Most people don't realize that some everyday foods are doing the exact same thing. In this video, I'll show you 11 powerful foods that fuel your body with real, long-lasting energy, without caffeine, and one of them works almost instantly. It usually starts the same way. You eat something quick in the morning, maybe toast, cereal, or something sugary, and within a couple of hours, your energy crashes hard. You feel tired, unfocused, and hungry again. That's not a lack of food, that's unstable energy. And this is exactly where avocados quietly change everything. Unlike high-carb foods that spike your blood sugar and then drop it fast, avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that your body burns slowly and efficiently. This creates a steady stream of energy that can last for hours, instead of those sharp highs and lows. They also contain more potassium than bananas, which helps your muscles function properly and prevents that sluggish, drained feeling many people experience during the day. But what makes avocados truly powerful is how they affect your overall system. They help stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and keep you feeling full much longer, meaning fewer energy crashes and fewer unnecessary snacks. When you start your day with avocado, you're not just eating, you're setting your body up for consistent energy, better focus, and total control over your hunger. And before we move to the next food, I've created a free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. You can grab it from the link in the description and first comment. A simple, powerful start. Eggs might look basic, but they're one of the most effective ways to fuel your body for the entire day. If you've ever felt hungry or low on energy shortly after breakfast, it's often because your meal lacked the right nutrients, and eggs solve that instantly. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential B vitamins that your body uses to convert food into energy. Instead of causing a quick spike like sugary breakfasts, they help stabilize your blood sugar and keep your energy levels steady for hours. That means no sudden crashes, no brain fog, and no constant need to snack. What makes eggs even more powerful is their ability to keep you full and focused. When your body gets enough protein early in the day, it naturally reduces cravings and improves mental clarity. So instead of chasing energy with caffeine, eggs help you build real, lasting energy from the moment your day begins. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more content like this for you. A fast, natural lift. Bananas are one of the easiest ways to recharge your energy when you feel drained. You've probably noticed how quickly your body responds after eating one. That's because bananas deliver fuel in a way your body can use almost instantly. They contain natural sugars combined with fiber, which means you get an immediate energy boost without the sudden crash that comes from processed snacks. On top of that, bananas are rich in potassium, a key mineral that helps your muscles function properly and prevents fatigue, especially during long or busy days. But what really makes bananas powerful is their balance. They give you quick energy when you need it, while still supporting steady performance throughout the day. Whether it's in the morning or during that afternoon slump, bananas help you feel more energized, more focused, and ready to keep going without relying on caffeine. A tiny snack with a big impact. Almonds may look simple, but they're one of the most effective foods for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. If you often feel that afternoon slump creeping in, this is where almonds can quietly make a difference. They're loaded with healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, three key nutrients your body relies on to produce and sustain energy. Magnesium, in particular, plays a critical role in converting food into usable energy, and even a slight deficiency can leave you feeling tired and sluggish without realizing why. What makes almonds so powerful is their ability to keep your energy stable. Instead of quick spikes and crashes, they provide a slow, consistent release of fuel that keeps you focused and satisfied. Just a small handful can help you stay energized, reduce cravings, and power through your day without needing another cup of coffee. Small, sweet, and incredibly powerful. Blueberries may not look like much, but they can have a noticeable impact on your energy and focus. If you've ever felt mentally drained or struggled to stay sharp during the day, this is where blueberries can quietly step in. They're loaded with antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress in your body, a hidden cause of fatigue that most people ignore. By protecting your cells and supporting brain function, blueberries help you stay mentally alert, focused, and energized without relying on caffeine or sugar spikes. What makes blueberries truly special is how they support both your body and your brain at the same time. Instead of just giving you a quick boost, they help improve memory, concentration, and overall mental performance. Adding them to your daily routine can make you feel more awake, more focused, and consistently energized throughout the day. A clean, powerful grain. Quinoa is one of those foods that quietly delivers long-lasting energy without making you feel heavy or sluggish. If you've ever felt tired after eating rice or processed carbs, quinoa is a completely different experience. It's a complete protein, meaning quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for energy, muscle function, and recovery. Combined with its complex carbohydrates and fiber, it provides a slow and steady release of energy that keeps you going for hours without spikes or crashes. What makes quinoa stand out is how balanced it is. It fuels your body, supports your metabolism, and keeps your hunger under control at the same time. Instead of feeling drained a few hours after eating, quinoa helps you stay energized, focused, and in control throughout your entire day. A lean, powerful fuel. Chicken breast is one of the most effective foods for keeping your energy strong and consistent throughout the day. If you've ever felt weak, drained, or low on stamina, your body might simply be lacking enough quality protein, and this is where chicken breast makes a big difference. It's packed with lean protein that helps your body build and repair muscle while supporting steady energy production. Unlike heavy or processed meats, chicken breast gives you clean fuel without slowing you down. It also helps stabilize blood sugar, which means fewer crashes and more consistent performance during your day. What makes chicken breast so powerful is how it supports both your physical and mental energy. When your body gets enough protein, you feel stronger, more focused, and less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. Adding it to your meals helps you stay energized, maintain your strength, and power through your day without relying on caffeine or sugar. A creamy, powerful option. Greek yogurt is one of those foods that keeps you energized without you even realizing why. If you've ever felt sluggish after a snack, it's often because your body didn't get the right balance of nutrients, and Greek yogurt fixes that instantly. It's packed with high-quality protein that slows digestion and provides a steady release of energy over time. At the same time, it contains probiotics that support gut health, and your gut plays a huge role in how your body produces and maintains energy. When your digestion is working properly, your energy levels naturally improve. What makes Greek yogurt truly powerful is how balanced it is. It keeps you full, stabilizes your blood sugar, and supports your overall system all at once. Whether you eat it in the morning or as a snack, it helps you stay energized, focused, and satisfied without the crashes that come from sugary foods. A crisp, refreshing lift. Cucumber might seem too simple to make a difference, but it's one of the fastest ways to bring your energy back up, especially when you're feeling tired for no clear reason. And in many cases, that tiredness isn't from lack of food, it's from dehydration. Cucumber is made of over 90% water, helping your body stay hydrated and your systems functioning properly. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, low focus, and sluggishness. Along with water, cucumbers provide essential nutrients that support your body's natural energy production. What makes cucumber so powerful is how quickly it works. It doesn't weigh you down or take time to digest. Instead, it helps your body feel lighter, fresher, and more awake almost immediately. Adding it to your daily routine can help you stay hydrated, feel more alert, and maintain steady energy throughout the day without relying on caffeine. A rich, powerful source. Salmon is one of the best foods you can eat when your energy feels low and your mind feels slow. If you've ever experienced brain fog, lack of focus, or mental fatigue, your body might be missing the right kind of fats. And this is where salmon makes a big difference. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function, reduce inflammation, and improve how your body produces energy. Unlike processed foods that drain your system, salmon helps your brain and body work more efficiently, giving you clearer thinking, better focus, and more stable energy throughout the day. What makes salmon truly stand out is how it fuels both mental and physical performance at the same time. It supports your mood, sharpens your concentration, and helps you feel more in control of your energy levels. Adding salmon to your routine can help you feel sharper, stronger, and consistently energized without depending on caffeine or sugar. Small but incredibly powerful. Chia seeds might look insignificant, but they're one of the most effective foods for sustaining energy throughout the entire day. If you've ever felt hungry or drained shortly after eating, your body may be missing this kind of slow, steady fuel, and chia seeds deliver exactly that. They're packed with fiber, protein, and healthy omega-3 fats that slow down digestion and release energy gradually. Instead of giving you a quick spike followed by a crash, chia seeds provide a consistent flow of energy that keeps you full and focused for hours. They also absorb water and expand in your stomach, helping with hydration and reducing unnecessary cravings. What makes chia seeds truly powerful is how they support your body on multiple levels at once. They stabilize your energy, improve endurance, and help you stay satisfied without overeating. Adding them to your routine can help you feel lighter, more energized, and in control of your hunger all day long, without needing caffeine at all. If you're relying on coffee just to get through the day, your body is trying to tell you something. Start adding these foods into your daily routine, and you'll notice a huge difference in your energy, focus, and even your mood. And don't forget, my free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss, is waiting for you in the description and first comment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.